Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeter, and today we are here with a Navy Federal Credit Union topic that was requested by Miss Aisha T. So you guys can credit this video to her. So, of course, we're talking about Navy Federal Credit Union. We're talking about credit because you guys know that's just what happens when we talk about Navy Federal Credit Union. So let's get right to the video. The question that was asked is, should you get secured loans or secured credit cards? Now, I want to just come right out and say it from the beginning. I'm going to give you guys multiple scenarios. However, there is no cookie cutter yes or no answer to this question. So if you feel like I'm wasting your time, go ahead and click off. But if not, let me go ahead and give you some scenarios. So I have good credit and I'm interested in building a relationship with Navy Federal. I kind of want to have a relationship before I apply for a credit card. So now what should I do? Should I get the secured card or should I get the secured loan? If you already have good credit, get the secured loan. You know, take a cash advance off your other credit card or take cash that you already have sitting somewhere, or whatever it is. Takes a good amount of cash. Go back, watch my video on the Navy Federal Secured Loan Hack. Do that. Take advantage of it. Get the secured loan. Wait a few months. Let it process a few payments. And then go for the secured credit card. Boom. Now you've built your relationship and you're good. Now, let's say you have so-so credit. All right, it's not good, but it's not bad. Depending on how recent your most recent collection or late payment is, and I like to kind of put this down into phases, but basically, if it's within the last 3 years, your most recent collection or late payment, typically your best bet is to go ahead and get the secured loan. If it's very recent, say it's within, the last year, then I would say you may want to go ahead and get the secured card as well. Typically, if your credit is okay or your credit is great, you want to go for just the secured loans. However, if your credit is not doing so well, or if you've had recent missed payments, or you're trying to rebuild your credit, or if you're trying to build a thick profile and you have that time to wait, or you have no choice but to wait, take advantage of both. Get the secured loans, plural, use that loan trick, and, go ahead and open you up a few of them so that you're getting multiple positive payments to counteract your negative payment history. But then on top of that, what I want you to do as well, and most importantly, is just get one Navy Federal secured card. Okay, I've had another video. I'm going to talk about this in another video and update you guys on this. But just to make sure I clarify this, never, ever, 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 ever get multiple secured cards from the same bank. Don't do it. You're counteracting the purpose of a secured card. You're completely defeating the purpose of getting a secured card, because that purpose is to build your credit and build a relationship. So instead of getting two secured cards with the same bank, get a Navy Federal one and then get one with State Department Federal Credit Union or another credit union or another bank, or, get a City Secured or a Discover Secured or Capital One Secured, depending on where your credit is or what you're trying to do and who you want to build a relationship with. But go somewhere else and get another secured card. There's so many reasons behind this. Like I said, you're not going to build any stronger of a relationship. In most cases, you're going to block yourself out from sign-up bonuses, because remember, you can only have 3 Navy Federal cards. So every secured card that you get, and this is why I tell people with good credit not to get the secured card, every secured card that you get is going to fill up a slot for a sign-up bonus. So every time you sign up for a secured card, you're knocking out a sign-up bonus. So just remember that. Just as well as it's harder to get credit limit increases than it is to get a high instant approval. So for myself, it makes more sense to me to say, okay, I'm going to get the one secured card and then worry about, you know, my other cards down the line if I have to get a secured card. But if I don't have to get a secured card, I'm going to build that relationship up with the secured loans, let my account sit for a little while, start working on any other debt that I have on my credit profile, paying it down instead of getting a secured card. And then I'm going to go back and apply for an unsecured card. And that's going to give me a higher limit and access to a sign up bonus. So there's your answer, all in all. That's the best explanation that I have for you guys. And thank you all to everyone who is supporting the channel and everyone who is tuned into our videos, who is subscribed to the channel. We're on the road to 10K, and I just can't wait. So I hope that I answered your question. If I did, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button. Comment on this video if I did not answer your question, or if you have any further questions, just as well as let me know if there is any particular information that you want on your profile. Reach out and I'll answer those questions for you, so that if you're not sure if you're in the so-so or bad credit range, reach out to me and we can kind of discuss it a little bit further on an individual basis. I'm not going to charge you for it. Just call me, reach out. Let's work through that initial barrier. We actually just had a subscriber who called and he wasn't sure where his credit was. I told him, check the pre-qualification link just in case. What is it going to hurt you in the instance that you don't get approved and you have to apply for the secured card? Because you're going to have to wait a good amount of time anyway before you apply again, and those inquiries are going to be extremely close together. Therefore, it's not going to look like you're credit seeking. It's not going to be a whole crazy thing for you missing, for you having multiple inquiries, and it's not going to make you miss out on anything, or, you're not going to get dinged for, excessive inquiries when you apply for a unsecured card, get denied and then go ahead and apply for the secured card. You're able to do that. Wait the time out. Don't be applying in between, but go ahead, do that. Take that chance just in case. If you get that pre-qualification, it's usually a good idea to go ahead and take that chance. That subscriber was able to actually get an approval and get the card. So they were able to take advantage of the sign-up bonus and get the card without putting down the security deposit. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and we will see you guys in the next video.